Hey guys, I'm back with another simple, easy, and powerful binary options trading strategy. You can watch this video till the end and literally be able to use this strategy right after watching this video. But as I say in all of my video, no matter whichever strategy you learn either from me or from someone else, firstly test that strategy properly on your demo account, and then only if you think it is working for you, use it in your real account. And if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel. Now without doing any delay, let's get started. So for this strategy, firstly need to select the Euro USD pair. Okay, don't select the OTC pair, but the real market. But currently, real market is not available at the time of shooting this video. That's why I'm selecting this OTC market to show you the strategy. And this strategy I have already shown in my previous video also, but people were a little bit confused. That's why also I'm making this video. So this is an opportunity for you to learn this simple strategy. This strategy is something that I have used when I was new in trading binary options, and it was a little bit risky, but I made from $100 I made like $3,000. Okay, I have turned that $100 to $3,000 by exactly using this strategy. So watch this strategy properly and try to understand it. Okay, it is not complicated, it is simple, but you need to understand it properly. So before showing you this strategy, if you don't have an account on Olymp Trade, I'm going to show you everything in this Olymp Trade. So if you don't have an account on Olymp Trade, then I have given a special link in the description of this video. If you click on it and create your account on Olymp Trade, then you are going to get 50% first time deposit bonus. Not only that much, you'll even get further bonuses that platforms provide you if you use the link that I have given in the description of this video to create your account on Olymp Trade. Okay, so now let's talk about the strategy. Firstly, you select the Euro USD pair, real market, not OTC, okay, and then select the time frame of candles 1 minute, okay, and the duration of trading 1 minute. Select it, and then let's say your total investment amount is $100. Okay, now you need to split that $100 into two, like 50-50. Okay, and firstly understand the investment pattern. Okay, so let's say you invested $50 and the profitability is 82%. And if you make profit, then you will have total 100 plus $41, $141. Okay, so now in next trade you need to split that $141. Okay, total $141 you need to split, and half amount would be 70.5. You need to invest 70.5. Okay, and once you make profit on this 70.5, then in next trade your total profit is going to your total amount would be $198, and you need to split that $198 into two part and invest $99 each time. Okay, so you'll have two chance to trade. So 50-50, 70.5, 70.5, 99, 99. Okay, and furthermore you can keep on adding the profit and split that amount into two pieces and keep on trading. Okay, if you want, but generally it is better to stop in three trades, but it's always your choice how much risk you want to take to make good amount of profit. I've literally made $3,000 from $100 by using this strategy. So now let's talk about the strategy is extremely simple. Okay, so our first trade would be $50. So now you need to find this kind of market, okay, where market is in Euro USD only. Okay, whenever it is going up down, this kind of pattern you need to find out. And whenever you see the market is going up in this way, then you can take risk and make a trade. Okay, so you can find this kind of pattern in lots of places. Okay, so you need to catch this kind of trend, okay, wherever it is. Now whenever you see market going up and down, at that time if you take risk at certain point, then it's most probably your lots of your trade will be going right. So if you see in Euro USD pair, so this is currently OTC, so that's why it is not showing clearly, but you will find that most cases Euro USD have a good uptrend. Okay, you'll find this kind of trend, and when you catch this kind of trend, you need to see the overall picture. Okay, how market is behaving. Okay, in this way you can see, make it zoom it out and see at which point most probably this is going to go up. Now as you can see here, you can see this market can go up. Okay, but yes, it is going to be a little bit risky. Here you can see a resistance is at here, right? Then you need to wait for entry in this kind of place, and when once it breakouts, then you can start to trade non-stop in this kind of market. Now I'll show you by placing a trade by using this exact strategy. It is trying to break out. I'll wait for some time, and if it break outs, then I'll show you by making a trade. Okay, so now I'll make a trade here. So I've already placed a trade here and it is moving up and down. Let's see what happens in this trade. So as you can see, it is beautifully moving up. Okay, so we still have some time remaining. Let's say 26 seconds left. So most probably we are going to be right in this trade, but let's wait some seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we have made a profit, as you can see here, in this trade. So in this way, you can keep on trading by using this simple strategy and make good amount of profit. However, it is a little bit risky. You only need to invest the amount that you are willing to lose. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.